Hello, welcome to the Rini Tech Skills and Fundamentals. We have seen that creating the countdown timer in the landing page is the effective way to create the urgency. So in this video, we will see how we can create code for countdown timer with the help of ChatGPT. So here we need to generate the countdown timer which is start in between 3 hour to 17 hour from randomly. That means each time when people reload your page, it should be start with some random number. And we want hour, minute and second in this countdown timer. So simply we have used the prompt and tell ChatGPT that generate HTML code or beautiful countdown timer that start from random hours from 17 to 3 hours and show our minute and second. And ChatGPT immediately generated this code. Now to check this code, we will use the W3 School and we will paste the HTML code over here. So you can see this is the countdown timer generated, and each time when we run, it starts from some random hour. It starts from 15 hour. Now it starts from 14. Again run it. It starts from 4 hour. So randomly it will start from particular hour between 3 to 17 that we specify. This way easily we can now create any code with the help of ChatGPT. Now furthermore, what we require is this code created actually some changes in the landing page design also. So again I have instructed it should be such that I can add the code at the end of my existing page without altering other content of my page. So certainly ChatGPT modified the code and generated the new code. Let's check it. I am pasting new code and run it. So you can see that now simple timer is there without having any additional design element. Run it again, right? And if you know little about the HTML coding, then you can change the font size, you can change the alignment, you can change the color. So many things you can change and adjust by simply understanding this code, right? So if I make it 20, so you can see, make it 10. So this way after having the code we can also do changes. To learn more about the cases of ChatGPT, you can go to Rini Tech Skills and Fundamental and select Artificial Intelligence. We have the course on ChatGPT after Master ChatGPT in 2024, which is how to use the paid version of ChatGPT, and we also have course on how to create the custom GPTs for our business and for particular application. And with this Ultimate package, you can have 1 year access to all 85 plus courses on the business, online marketing, web design, WordPress, and many more contents are there. FB ads, Google ads. It includes all the skills that required to run online business in 2024.